Good evening and welcome to Thai PBS World. The Future Forward Party is back in the headlines again, and again with its future hanging in the balance. The Constitutional Court on February 21st will rule whether the young political party has broken the law by accepting loans from its leader, Thanathorn Jingruengruengkit. A guilty verdict would lead to the party's dissolution and definitely trigger a major change in the political landscape. And that's why the party is not taking things sitting down.
Let me tell you how we finance this party. I lend the party 100 million during this election campaign.
During an address to the Foreign Correspondents Club of Thailand in May last year, Thanathorn Jingruengruengkit revealed that he had extended loans totaling 190 million baht to Future Forward Party. He thought he was trying to be honest and transparent. It didn't cross his mind then that what he said would come back to haunt him. Thanathorn claimed that the money was needed to help the party finance its campaigns in the March elections. But the Election Commission sees otherwise. Acting on a complaint by a political activist, the Election Commission has ruled that the party broke the Political Parties Act, which doesn't classify loan as a legitimate source of income for political parties. The law also limits a person's contribution to a political party to 10 million baht a year. The restriction is designed to prevent political parties from falling under the influence of their financial supporters. The same law also spells out tough penalty for political parties that receive financial contribution from sources they know are illegitimate. According to the Election Commission, the loans from Thanathorn are seen as such. A guilty verdict would lead to a dissolution of the party and the 10 members of its executive committee disqualified as MPs. The rest of its MPs would need to switch to other parties within 60 days to keep their MP status. It would also trigger a legal process that could lead to Thanathorn facing possibility of a jail term. The ruling will come only a few days before the no-confidence debate against the Prayut government, in which Future Forward Party is expected to play a prominent role. Thanathorn and his colleagues in the Future Forward have rejected the charges against the party, claiming they are politically motivated. The party has tried in vain to convince the Constitutional Court to hold a public trial on the case. Thanathorn and other executives of Future Forward have been branding the case as part of the political persecution against the party. Critics of the party, however, believe they are trying to mobilize public support to pressure the Constitutional Court. And in an unrelated development today, a new political party is born. The party, founded by veteran politician Korn Chatikawanidt, was formally registered with the Election Commission under the name KLA or Dare Party. Athawit Suwanpakdi, a former core member of the movement that led the prolonged protests against the Yingluck government in 2014, and a co-founder of the new party, said the name was chosen from over 120,000 entries submitted by members of the public. He said the Valentine's Day was deliberately chosen for its registration because it was an auspicious day.
เราอยากเห็นคนที่มีความคิดสร้างสรรค์เป็นผู้กล้าออกมาสู่การเมือง
Athawit said the name KLA symbolizes the party's stand in daring to make changes and introduce new ideas. It should also encourage people with courage to change to join the party. Athawit was among 3 representatives of the party who sought registration for the party with the Election Commission today. The driving force behind the new political party is Korn Chatikawanidt, a former finance minister who left the Democrat Party only recently. Several other members of the Democrat Party are reported to be preparing to defect to join the new party. And that's all for Thai PBS World tonight. Thank you for watching.